I manage the eastern sales operations, entire East India, includes Northeast as well as Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. I just started VMware East operations in the month of September last year. I won't take much of time. I was just thinking that where to start, where to finish, because I have been given only 15 minutes and I had some 50-60 slides to cover, but I'll try and wrap it up within 15 minutes. Pardon? Yeah, that is what I will try and do it. Thank you. I'll skip some of the, just a small, we are currently, this is slightly older figures. Currently we are at $6 billion as a worldwide organization. But market cap today for VMware is almost $43 billion. We have almost all the big customers today, corporate customers, if you see the figures are there, almost 100% on Fortune 100 and this is basically a normal data center, generally without virtualization. Obviously you can understand. What happens is after virtualization we definitely change the scenario. These are the facts and figures where we generally, an IT spend is made by the IT managers or the corporates. Why virtualization? To reduce cost, obviously. Business continuity, disaster recovery, desktop management control. The product which we have today is known as VMware View, where we cater to this segment. Application virtualization, we do have a lot of solutions around the application virtualization on ThinApp. That is the product we have. This is how generally we take all the IT infrastructure which are on silos in a single platform and we virtualize it. I'm not going into, everybody knows today what virtualization is. These are the some slides which definitely will show you how we generally cater the customer need. There are multiple machines in silos. They have their own CPU, memory, usage, utilization of those resources, and it is now getting into a single server after virtualization with their own instances, that is their application and the individual OS, and it gives you a better environment to manage. So we get all the flexibility, rapid provisioning. If you want to provision the virtual machines, you can provision within a few minutes. High availability, disaster recovery, everything is there inbuilt into our product. So generally we have 3 editions of our product, and each edition has their own features. So in my next slides, I'll show you the features, tell you something on the features. Partitioning is like each VM is an individual virtual machine and doesn't speak to anybody else. So it gives you the partitioning facility. All the VMs are in isolation, so nobody disturbs to the other machine. So your application runs fine. Encapsulation, all the virtualization process or the files or data is all maintained in an encapsulated format in a particular folder, where you can take this folder and copy it to another server for rapid provisioning of new server or new virtual server. Hardware independence, my product is not hardware dependent. You can have multiple brand of servers, with multiple OS. This is how we have multiple machines on different silos. First, your OS and application goes into the virtual infrastructure. Common platform, as I explained to you, that we are not dependent. vMotion is basically movement of the VMs from one machine to another machine. This is how it moves. High availability, these are all features which I am talking about. If one server goes for a task, then the other virtual machine moves to the other part of other server. You can see that. Resource scheduler is basically a dynamic resource scheduler. There are certain applications which needs, say, more resources, compute resource, memory resource. So how to provision it? So that is how we are giving this feature which manages the movement of VMs as per the demand of the application and the resources. So just think that this machine, this virtual machine needs more resources, it becomes bigger. So it moves to the nearest machine which has the resources free. So these are all dynamically done. Fault tolerance is nothing but a mapping or mirroring of an individual machine, virtual machine to another virtual machine, which gives you 100% uptime. Certain applications are there which are, I would say, session based. Just try when you log in a ticket, when you book a ticket on IRCTC or a plane ticket, those are session based applications. So those needs 100% uptime always. So this is fault tolerance is a feature which gives it benefit. If this goes, then this is up at the same moment. There is no downtime even for a single second. Snapshot backup. Security is inbuilt. We generally provide security along with our third-party product like Symantec, Trend Micro. All these gives us the security around our virtual machines. And there's a feature which we give is called vShield. So we have seen 95% of applications today are almost good for running on virtual platform. Slightly going back to our history, these are the products that we have been launched earlier, as well as the current version, which is version 5. In the last you will see, which gives a lot of benefit where customers can have a dedicated 32 vCPU for a particular application and 1 terabyte of memory. So I don't think today any application needs such huge resource to run. Generally, these are the applications which can be virtualized on our platform. Majorly, we cover almost 95% as I told you. I'm not getting into this. These are our ISV ecosystem partners that we have today who are providing our solutions to a lot of customers. Benefits, I'll just skip this because of time. Benefits, obviously, it's huge. I cannot tell you in single 2-3 minutes. This is another important slide which I wanted to show you is if you see the right hand side graph, there you will see the shift of virtual machines. Now till 2010, we have broken the barrier of shipment of physical machines and creation and building up of virtual machines. So if you see that graph, now the virtual machines are more compared to physical machines throughout worldwide. We have cloud service providers who generally provide cloud services, and we enable them to build up their cloud services around our infrastructure, our software vCloud Director, to provide services across the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. So everything, there's a single solution to our product. We call it Your Cloud. So we have almost somewhere around 40 to 50 products across cloud offering. It's speaking on the journey to the cloud. Cloud is not a solution that today customer asks and I am willing to go and move into a cloud, maybe a private, maybe a hybrid, whatever it is. It's a journey. It has to be started from the virtualization and then it till goes into your application level, your cloud infrastructure. This is what we say, enable a customer by simplifying, automating IT cloud era. These are the different devices, end user devices. We, as you told that today, as I have told you that today we are no more only a virtualization company. We do virtualize servers, but at the same time we virtualize our desktop, end user devices, cloud offerings. As we move ahead, I'll show you. There's always a lot of demand from the business with the IT department to provide a lot of things within a stipulated budget to the company. So virtualization is the right process for it. As you know that business agility also depends on IT agility. So this is how we achieve the IT agility with our solutions. These are the offerings again on the end user segment as well as on the cloud platform. That is, we also have product which a developer can develop the software or the applications on cloud. That is known as our cloud offering, which is Gemfire, based on Java application. So there are the three pillars where we provide solution: end user computing, cloud application platform, cloud infrastructure and management. In summary, this is what we can say. Thank you. We'll take it up in a question answer session if you